Hi there, I hope that you love sunflowers because Vippies Designs has just added a bunch of napkins and some of them are these gorgeous sunflowers. I used those napkins to create this beautiful jar. That's the napkin that I used, and the jar, it was just an ordinary jar I took out of recycle. I used that napkin and Mod Podge Decoupage glue to create this beautiful jar. You can learn how to make this jar at my YouTube channel, Decoupage D.I.Y with Joan-Marie Domino. Once you learn the technique, you can even make little guys just like this. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, and I love to hear your comments, so make sure you drop a comment down there. Now, I'm going to be doing in this video a haul of some of Vippies' newest napkins. I'm so excited to show them to you, so let's get started. We're going to start with this cute chicken sitting on the eggs. All 4 panels are printed. So Vippies has brought in some farm ones with this group, and so there's some chickens. And this looks like a real photograph too. Definitely very farm. And this is a animal parade. I love this. It's so cute. When you open it up, it makes one long parade of farm animals. Bright new morning. Love that. So of course Vippies has brought in more florals. So pretty. The marigold with the fence. That's perfect for this time of year. Another really pretty floral, like a garden floral with the dragonfly. All 4 panels are printed. This gorgeous napkin, why? Because it's from Lenox. Pretty napkin with the bees. And look, there's a slice of grapefruit. I love that napkin. Now, this is a napkin we already have in a larger size. Now, Vippies brought it in a smaller size, and it's printed all the way across. I love this buffalo check, but what's really cool about this napkin is when you open it up, all 4 panels are printed, but you have a big space in the middle to put some wording, so you can make a sign with one napkin. Here's another, we love our gnomes, don't we? Sitting on the back of a pickup with a bunch of sunflowers. Love this. This is one of my favorites. That cobalt blue with those yellow sunflowers looks so gorgeous. One of my favorites. I love how that looks. All right, another one of my favorites. It was so hard to choose with these deep colors. This also makes one complete print when you open up the napkin. It's a high quality napkin. We love our blue trucks, right? Our pickup trucks, and this one also has a bed filled with sunflowers. Beautiful leaves with soft watercolors. All 4 panels are printed, and you're going to get 2 of them. Another sunflower one. This is the one I showed you in the beginning, but 2 panels are different. So you're going to get 2 of each. I'm going to open it up so that you can see. And remember, look what you can make. Beautiful jars. I've got a great video to show you how to do that. And you get 2 of these. Love that. A gorgeous one. This is perfect for summer. It's so bright and colorful. And this also opens up to one big picture. And you know what? You're going to get 2 of these. We always like when we can get a pair. Another pretty one with the light blue, and it's got the dandelions, and you're going to get 2 of those. Another sunflower one. This one has little bees in it too, and when you open it up, that is going to make one big picture. And I believe, yep, you get 2 of those. Good, because then you get a reduced price when you get 2. Green pickup with more sunflowers in the bed. All 4 panels are printed, and yep, you get 2 of those. Next up is another one. It's similar to the smaller one, but the print is bigger with the sunflowers and the bees. All 6 panels are printed, and you can see the print goes all the way across. This is beautiful leaves. It's got gold in it. I love it. All 6 panels are printed. It's so pretty. Another pickup truck in green. This time it's in the longer size, and I believe, yes, all 6 panels are printed, so we always love that. More sunflowers, fresh sunflowers, pick your own, locally grown with the buffalo plaid. And let's take a look. All 6 panels are printed. So cute. Look at that little doggy with the flag and the faded stripe with the stars. And all 6 panels are printed. Beautiful. Lavender goes all the way across. Oh, I'm glad they have some more florals in with this group. And they also have some more animals, some more farm animals. And this one goes all the way across, almost like a piece of scrapbook paper. Pattern goes all the way across. Really cute chicken. And speaking of cute, oh my God, Look at these horses, the mommy horse and the baby pony. So cute. I love it. It's so sweet. More animals. Little doggies. Love the doggies. They even have the names of the breeds underneath the dogs. And you get 2 panels that are printed. And we have to have cats if we have the dogs. Same thing. They have the little names of the different breeds of cats. So cute. 2 panels are printed. Well, that wraps up another big pile of napkins from Vippies Designs. And remember, I take these napkins and I get regular jars and I upcycle them into beautiful decor using Mod Podge. And if you want to learn how to make this jar and many other things, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Decoupage D.I.Y. with Joan-Marie Domino. Give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, drop a comment, and you can always meet up with me on my Facebook page and my group Facebook page. And remember, these gorgeous napkins are from Vippies Designs, www.vippies.com. Vippies also has a Facebook page where you will see everything as it comes out.